Welcome to your AbenTech channel, a global leader in new technologies. Get ready for what you're about to see.
SanDisk Optimus SSD rebrand and launch, CES 2026. At CES 2026, SanDisk, now independent from Western Digital's HDD business, announced a major strategic pivot by retiring the iconic WD_black and WD blue names. In their place, the company has introduced SanDisk Optimus, a unified internal SSD brand designed to simplify the purchasing process for creators, gamers, and professionals. New brand segmentation. The portfolio is now organized into three distinct performance tiers. SanDisk Optimus. The entry-level tier, replacing WD Blue, focused on balancing affordability and speed for general productivity and content creation. SanDisk Optimus GX, the mid to high tier, replacing standard WD_black models like the SN7100, optimized for gaming performance and energy efficiency. SanDisk Optimus GX Pro, the flagship tier, engineered for high-end workstations, AI-capable PCs, and enthusiasts who demand uncompromising specifications. Flagship performance, the GX Pro series. The highlight of the announcement was the introduction of two heavy-hitting drives within the GX Pro line. Optimus GX Pro 8100, PCIe 5.0. This is the new performance leader, leveraging the PCIe Gen 5 interface to reach sequential read speeds of 14,900 megabytes per second and write speeds of 14,000 megabytes per second. It features an integrated heatsink with RGB lighting and is available in capacities up to 8 terabytes. Optimus GX Pro 850X, PCIe 4.0, an evolution of the popular SN850X, this drive maximizes the PCIe 4.0 bus with speeds up to 7,300 megabytes per second. It is also available in massive 8 terabytes configurations, targeting PS5 Pro users and PC gamers with vast libraries. This rebranding follows the 2025 separation of Western Digital into two independent entities. By transitioning to the SanDisk Optimus name, the company is consolidating its flash memory heritage under a single global brand. While the branding and packaging are.
Thanks for watching the video to the end. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest tech news.